That means without the goal, we can't success in our life. So this picture shows, and this picture says us the importance of goals in our success life. So let's start. When we start to set a goal, there we have to face three questions. There, in this verse, we can see when we set a goal, what is our goal? The first question is, what is our goal? First of all, we want to define and clarify and clearly imagine about our goal. When you select a goal for you, you should know your capabilities for that goal. For example, if I am capable for writing, I will be a writer. If I am capable for playing football, I will be a football player. If I am capable for reading, I will be a reader. Like that, you should understand what is our capabilities and what is my capability in my career. So you should select the goal for your career. And the next one is when we select our goal, we should identify. The next one is you should know the benefits of your goals. If I am a writer, I will be a magazine editor. Like that, we should know the benefits of our goals. And the next one is how to achieve our goal. How to achieve our goal? To achieve our goals, we want to a planning in our goals, and a step-by-step planning. And we should train our skills. Like if you are a player or if you are a football player, you should wake up early morning in all day, and you should go to exercise and walking like that. So we want to all time we want to train to develop our skills. And next one is the important thing in to achieving your goals is monitoring by others. The speciality of human beings, we know when others monitoring you, you should do everything in time by time. When there is no monitoring, you should be lazy. That is the common rules in humans. We all of you know. So we should try to make a guide like our parents or our best friends. Like that, we want to set a monitoring person in our goal. And the next thing is in achieving goals. We know we first of all we should publish our goals in public. When you publish your goals in public, you got the public support also. That will be a big help to achieve your goals. So the next step is when we'll achieve. So when we achieve our goals, within 2 months I will achieve my goals, or within 2 years I will achieve my goals. So we should make a schedule. We should make a schedule in achieving your goals, and we should make a deadline. Before 2 years I will achieve my goal. Before 2 months I will achieve my goals. So we should want to make and create a deadline for your bright future and for your goals. So don't wait for the perfect moment, because there is no such things. Then the best time to start chasing your dream is right now. So start your dreams right now. And we all of you know the missile man of India known as APJ Abdul Kalam. He's a motivational speaker, and also he's saying the 4 things are followed. if you following these 4 things, you can achieve anything in this world. So in this first, he's saying having a great aim. Having a great aim. We mentioned about that we should have a goal and we should want a aim in all of our life. And the second one, he's saying acquiring knowledge. Acquiring knowledge means continuously searching knowledge. The continuously searching knowledge is the most important in the setting a goal. And in achieving a goal also, it is the most important thing. And next one is hard work. Without hard work, we know without hard work we are zero. But with hard work, we are hero. So without hard work, we can achieve anything. So, and the next one is he saying that is the most important thing in his statements. That is perseverance. What is a perseverance? Any problem will come in your dream, but problem should not be our captain. You have to be captain. You have to become the captain of the problem. Defeat the problem and succeed. He defined the perseverance means we all have so many problems in our life. So we should not be the problem. We should not be our captain, but you have to become the captain of the problem. Then we can defeat the problem and we can succeed in our life. We all of you know the famous billionaire Jack Ma. He is a Chinese billionaire and the founder of Alibaba Marketing. When we search his behind history and his history, we can see he faced so many failures in his child age. Even in middle class, 2 times he is failed. And in primary class, 3 times he failed. He attended 13 job interviews, but all are defeated. And 10 times Harvard universities rejected his application. And when he applied for police and army, there four of them accepted and he only rejected. When the KFC came in China, there 24 people applied for job, but he only rejected. In these rejections and in these failures, he overcome these all problems and he became a successful life in now in his life. So we all want to create and make a successful goal in all of our life. So why do you disappointed from your goal? And we should understand one thing, that rejection and failure is not your last result. The last result is your hard work and perseverance and your hard work. So I am concluding my words and requesting you to set a goal in all our life, and you all try to success in your life. Assalamu alaikum.